Hi everyone, you are tuned to Digital Avi, and in this video, I will tell you the most simplest way to create backup of your WordPress website and how you can download that backup into your laptop or computer, or how you can upload that backup into Google Drive. So let's see how you can do it. To do this, you first need to install a plugin. So go to plugins, then click on add new. Now search for Updraft. This is the plugin which we are going to use to create backup of our WordPress website. You can see that this plugin already has more than 2 million active installations. So click on install now. One thing you should know is that this plugin is completely free to use. And now click on activate. You can click on press here to start, and it will give you a tour to show how this plugin works. But you can simply end this tour because I am here to tell you how you can create the backup. So the Updraft plugin is open in front of us. Now go to the settings tab. Here you can see the files backup schedule. I will select weekly here, and database backup schedule. Here also I will select weekly. So now Updraft will take weekly backup of your website. That is, after each week it will take the backup of your WordPress website and will store it at your desired location. And it also asks you how many backups you want to retain. So here we will just leave it to 2. Now scroll a little bit and you can set the location where you want to store or upload the backup of your WordPress website. Here in our case, I will select Google Drive. Scroll a little bit and here the plugin will ask you which files you want to include in the backup. So if you want to take backup of your whole website, just leave it as it is. Or let's say if you want to take backup of just plugins, you can untick all the other options and just leave plugins option on the tick. Here we want to create the backup of our whole website, so I will leave it as it is, and then scroll a little bit and click on save changes. Since we have selected Google Drive as our remote storage location, so the plugin asks us to authenticate it. So you need to click this link to authorize Updraft to create a backup in your Google Drive. Click on this. Now select the email ID which is linked with your Google Drive. And click on allow. And then click on the button complete setup. Now here click on the button backup now to start the backup of your WordPress website. Then again click on backup now. And here you can see that the plugin has started uploading the backup to the Google Drive. Now the backup is complete. Click on refresh. Scroll a little bit and here you can see the backup files. Now let's say you want to download the backup of plugins and themes to your computer. So to do this, what you have to do is click on plugins and themes. Here you can see that it is showing the option to download the backup to your computer. So just click on the button download to your computer. select your desired location and then save the backup. And to download the backup of themes, again click on download to your computer. Select your desired location and then click on save. And if you want to download the backup of your whole website, then you have to download all of the options available here, which are database, plugins, themes, uploads and others. As soon as I click any of the options in the backup files, the Updraft plugin starts looking for the backup files, and after that you can just click on the button download to your computer and then download the backup files to your computer. And if you want to delete the backup files, just click on the button delete. So that's how you can create backup of your WordPress website. That's all for this video. I will come with another awesome video as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed and subscribe to Digital Abhi.